Here's an example of finding exponential equations given a graph. In this problem, we're going to let f of x equal a times e to the kx minus 5. Part of the graph of f is shown below. If the y-intercept is 0, 6, and f of negative 5 is approximately equal to negative 4.97, we want to find the value of k to three significant figures. And I have a little hint that we're going to need to find that value of a first off. So let's start off by tackling that first clue. The y-intercept is 0, 6. That means that f of 0 is equal to 6. That means I can substitute this information into my equation so that 6 is equal to a times e to the k times 0 power, all that minus 5. We know that e to the k times 0 power is equal to 1 since e to the 0 equals 1. So I can rewrite this equation as 6 equals a minus 5. We'll add 5 to both sides, and we'll get a equals 11. So far we know that our equation is f of x equals 11 times e to the kx minus 5. Now that we've done this, we are ready to use our second piece of information, that f of negative 5 is approximately equal to negative 4.97. We've gotten our function down to just one unknown, the k, and now we're ready to figure out what that k actually is. So let's substitute that coordinate, f of negative 5 equals approximately negative 4.97, and let's substitute that into our equation. We're going to add 5 to both sides, so we get 0.03 equals 11 times e to the negative 5k power. We'll divide both sides by 11, and now I'm at the point where I'm ready to take the natural log of both sides so that I can solve for this exponent. I'm going to use my power property and bring that negative 5k out in front of this natural log, and since the natural log of e is equal to 1, this whole equation equals negative 5k. Finally, I'll divide both sides by negative 5, and I've gotten k all by itself. Look at that. This is good. Now I'm ready to go to the calculator. And I'm going to type all this in just as we have it seen here. The natural log of 0.03 divided by 11. We'll close up that parenthesis, divide that by 5, and I get this answer of 1.18089, blah, 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 blah. We want to round this to three significant figures, so that means that k is going to be approximately equal to 1.18. Now, if I wanted to verify this, it would be a good idea to go to my graphing section in the calculator and graph my equation as I've found it, and just verify that I do have that correct y-intercept and that my function when x is equal to negative 5 is about negative 4.97. And there you have it.